In this course, we will discuss about the join in SQL. SQL joins. A join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. Different types of SQL joins. Number 1, inner join. Number 2, left join. Number 3, right join. Number 4, full join. Before discussing about these joins, we have to create two or more tables. Let's take a look in query window. We already have employee info table with data, so this is employee info table. So let's select the employee info information. Select start from. Yes, we have 10 records here. So we have to create another table for salary head. This is the create script for salary head type. Here a ID integer type, primary key identity 101 not null, head type embarker 150 not null, current status 150 not null. So if we execute this query, create table query, our table will be created. This table already, so we can delete this and delete drop table, drop table. Something problem here. Okay, now we will execute this query again. Yes, command completed successfully. So we have created a new table for salary head type. Let's refresh these tables. Yes, we have salary head types. Now we will insert some values for salary head type. These are all insert query for salary head type. So here I added addition type, deduction type, deposit type. If we run this, our data will be populated in a salary head type. So execute this query. Yes, 3 rows affected. Now we can select from salary head type. Select star from salary head type. Yes, we have 3 records on ID 1 addition, ID 2 deduction, ID 3 deposit. So we have 3 records for salary head type. Now we will create new table for salary head. This is the create script for salary head type table. So we have to execute this commands completed successfully. So we have created another table for salary head. Now refresh the tables. Yes, we have created new table for salary head. Now we will insert some values for salary head. This is the create script for salary head. In this section, in this insertion, we just want to insert for basic salary with effective date 1st January 2019 to 31 December 2025. Here account salary head type 1. This means this is addition that we have created in previous table salary head type. So this will be added for addition. Now execute this. Yes, one row affected. Now we will add another salary head for house rent, and it will be another addition type salary. This is 1. So execute this. One row affected. This is medical allowance. So execute this. This is conveyance allowance. One row affected. This is contributory provident fund. So execute this. This is health welfare fund. Here the salary head type is true. That means this is deduction type salary. So execute this. One row affected. Mobile allowance. It should be a addition type salary. So execute this. One row affected. 1 means addition salary. So area allowance is execute this. One row affected. This is other allowance. 1 for addition type salary. So execute this. Yes, we have created several values for salary head with respect to salary head type. Now we can select from salary head. Select star from. Yes, we have 9 records here, and contributory provident fund and health welfare fund both are with ID 2 for salary head type ID. So these two ID is deduction, and the others salary head type looks for 1. So we can go forward for further tutorial, further discussion about joins. Thank you.